Every dried mango begins its journey here, in carefully managed orchards.
Only mangoes at perfect ripeness are selected for drying.
Harvesting is done by hand to protect the fruit's structure. Each bag holds only a controlled weight to avoid bruising.
Fresh mangoes are immediately transferred into breathable crates.
Speed and shade are essential to preserve freshness. Harvested mangoes move quickly toward processing. The countdown to processing begins the moment they leave the trees. Every kilogram is tracked from the source. Temperature control begins long before drying.
The journey from fruit to shelf has officially begun.
Next stop, the dried mango processing plant. This is where preservation begins.
Traceability is mandatory for export.
Even unloading begins with precision. The mangoes are ready to enter processing.
From this point on, machines take over.
This is the threshold between farm and factory.
Ensures mechanical precision. Clean environments protect food integrity. Gravity and design work together. Automation controls every entry point. Cleaning prepares mangoes for transformation. From this point, the fruit never stops moving. The first transformation begins with water. Cleaning removes everything the field leaves behind. Mechanical brushes replace human hands. Even water is carefully managed. Multiple Multiple rinses ensure food safety. Human eyes still outperform machines.
Only export-grade fruit moves ahead.
Uniform size ensures even drying. Sorting increases process efficiency. Technology confirms what humans see. Speed and accuracy work together. Clean fruit enters controlled processing. The mangoes are now fully prepared. Precision begins with controlled feeding.
Correct orientation prevents waste.
Byproducts are separated instantly.
Humal correction ensures perfection.
Uniform slices dry evenly. Spacing allows proper airflow.
Stability prepares slices for dehydration.
Now, moisture will be removed.
The drying process begins, removing moisture with precision. Every degree counts for texture and flavor. Continuous motion prevents uneven drying. Sensors guarantee consistent dehydration. Precision airflow ensures uniform drying.
Human checks complement automated systems.
The slices emerge ready for cooling and stabilization. Controlled cooling protects taste and texture.
Next, technology refines what nature has created.
Automation identifies perfection at lightning speed.
Robots handle slices with precision and care.
Consistency is automated with robotics.
Cooling locks in quality before packaging.
Automation guides the slices toward final form. Every slice is shaped for perfect uniformity. Cooling preserves texture and flavor before packaging. Traceability is ensured for every batch. Sealed freshness preserves tropical flavor. Next, each batch is verified before storage and dispatch.
Every batch undergoes rigorous quality verification.
Safety is verified scientifically.
Flavor consistency is as important as safety.
Random checks prevent defects from reaching the market.
Every decision is traceable digitally. Only approved batches continue toward dispatch. Even after automation, human oversight prevails. Automation stacks pouches efficiently for transport. Labeling ensures traceability from factory to consumer.
Storage conditions maintain product quality.
Automation links storage directly to dispatch. Heavy pallets are carefully positioned for storage.
Every pallet is logged for precise tracking.
Precision placement maximizes space and safety.
The journey to markets begins.
And this is how modern factories produce dry mangoes from start to finish.
Every step, from harvest to storage, is part of a continuous process.
From orchard to export, every stage is meticulously managed.